Okay, forget the Avengers. Nature just dropped a patch, and these birds are cracked. First up, the lyrebird. This guy is a literal sonic shapeshifter. Chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms. He can mimic everything. It's giving total main character energy. Next, the woodcock. Their eyes are set so far back on their heads, they have actual 360-degree vision. They can see you coming from behind without even turning their head. Sneak level, 0. But the absolute GOAT? The bar-tailed godwit. This legend flies from Alaska to Tasmania for 11 days straight. No sleep, no snacks, no pit stops. Just vibes and 8,000 miles of ocean. Honestly, birds are just built different. Which power would you pick? Drop a comment and subscribe to the Earth Network.